I just wanted to hop on here real quick to do an unboxing of this wearable breast pump, and then I'm going to set it up, do a first use, and then I'll hop back on and tell you my thoughts. So I just got everything out of the box. We got the instruction manual, 2 pumps, these are the units themselves, and 2 charging cables, so 1 for each pump, and they have these. They hook up to the USB-C, and then there's a regular USB on the other end, and they plug right in there. And you can see the different buttons there. And then 2 nursing bra extenders, and so I'll kind of show you how it all fits inside the bra. So this is just a standard nursing bra, so you would just unhook it, and the unit goes inside, so that would be right up against the breast part there. And then when you go to hook it back, if you need a little bit of extra room, then you would hook the extender like you would. Let me see. So that goes there. The regular bra, so it probably should fit like that. And that gives you a little extra space for pumping. Okay, so now I'm gonna clean it, use it off camera, and then I'll get back on and tell you how it went. So now that I've used it, I just wanted to talk a little bit about it. So I really liked that there's only a couple parts, so that you can easily put it back together. It's not a ton of parts to wash, so that was definitely a pro. It also, on the cups themselves, it tells you how much you're pumping. So if you can kind of see, there's lines that way, so when it's all the way done, you can stand it up. And while you're pumping, there's also some lines, so if you were trying to kind of gauge how much milk you had in there, it's really great for that. It was really comfortable to use. It fit inside my nursing bra really well. I didn't even really use the adjuster straps, but I know certain people will need to use them, certain people won't. It probably just depends on the size of your bra. And then the buttons are really easy to use as well. The power button turns it on. There's 2 modes. There's like a massage mode for letdown, and then there's also like a pump mode. And then there's a plus and minus, so you can speed it up or slow it down as you do it. And it's in the instruction manual, it said there's about 9 different settings that you can go up or down. I did not use all 9, but you got to find what's comfortable for you. So just pretty much works like similar to any other pump. It suctions and it collects the milk. I love that you can collect the milk right in the cup. You don't have all kinds of tubes. The only negative that I could find is that it is not shipped with replacement parts. So if you needed any replacement parts, you'd have to purchase them separately. But other than that, fantastic product.